probably treat your chronic exhaustion like it's just a lack of sleep. But right now, your liver might be getting flooded by microscopic biological sewage coming straight from your own gut. Most people view digestion and detoxification as completely separate processes. They think their gut handles the food and their liver handles the toxins. But biology reveals a hidden, direct highway connecting these two systems. When your gut becomes damaged, it unleashes a flood of toxic waste directly into your liver, forcing it to work overtime and completely destroying your daily energy. In the next few minutes, we are going to look inside this biological highway to show you exactly how to stop this internal leak. Before we uncover how this mechanism works, if you want to understand the real science behind your body's hidden signals, please hit the like button and subscribe to Human Health Archive. It helps us keep bringing this research to you. Now let's look inside. To understand this hidden crisis, we have to look at the exact moment food leaves your digestive tract. Once your stomach and intestines break down a meal, the nutrients do not just float freely into your bloodstream. They must first pass through a massive biological checkpoint. There is a major blood vessel called the portal vein that connects the entire digestive tract directly to your liver. Think of your gut as the outside world and your liver as strict border security. Every single drop of liquid and every microscopic particle absorbed by your intestines travels straight through this portal vein into the liver for inspection. In a healthy body, the gut lining acts as a highly intelligent filter, ensuring only pure nutrients cross the border. But there is a subtle, everyday, healthy habit most people do that is quietly tearing microscopic holes in this exact barrier. We will reveal what that is in just a minute. The modern environment is brutal on this delicate filtering system. Artificial additives, hidden sugars, and even the chronic daily stress you consider normal begin to wipe out the beneficial bacteria in your microbiome. When these good bacteria die off, the physical wall of your intestinal lining starts to degrade. Microscopic gaps begin to open up in the gut wall. Instead of using complex medical terms, think of it simply as a massive biological leak, widely known as leaky gut. When this barrier breaks down, the gut completely loses its ability to filter. Suddenly, undigested food particles, harmful bacteria, and toxic byproducts slip right through the gaps. And because of that portal vein we mentioned earlier, all of this toxic biological waste doesn't just float away. It is pumped directly, 24 hours a day, straight into your liver. The biological border control has been breached. Faced with this massive influx of toxic waste, your liver has to completely abandon its normal job of burning fat and creating energy. Instead, it shifts into an aggressive emergency defense mode. Specialized immune cells inside the liver detect these invading gut toxins and trigger a massive inflammatory alarm. Imagine a highly trained cleaning crew trying to put out a massive fire inside a building, while garbage trucks just keep dumping more toxic trash right at their front door. That is exactly what your liver is experiencing right now. It requires an enormous amount of biological energy to sustain this fight. Because your liver is overwhelmed fighting the waste from your gut, it cannot efficiently filter out normal daily toxins. The inflammation eventually spills over from the liver into the general bloodstream, traveling to your joints, your skin, and your brain. This hidden, exhausting battle is why you experience severe brain fog, a bloated abdomen, and chronic fatigue that no amount of coffee seems to fix. Once this biological leak is fully open, simply eating a clean salad or drinking water isn't enough to stop the chaos. The damage is already overwhelming the system. You must repair the biological highway. The first step is sealing the microscopic gaps in the gut lining to stop the flood of toxins at the source. But equally important is giving your overworked liver the chemical ammunition it desperately needs to neutralize the massive backlog of inflammatory waste. During this intensive biological cleanup, the liver exhausts its supply of natural antioxidants. It requires a heavy, consistent intake of specific phytonutrients and polyphenols to calm the internal fire and safely flush out the trapped toxins. Foods like dark leafy greens and deep-colored berries provide these exact cellular protectors. However, getting a concentrated, diverse amount of these plant compounds daily can be difficult for most people. That is why many turn to comprehensive greens formulas designed to support both digestive balance and the liver's natural detoxification pathways simultaneously. By combining a wide variety of antioxidant-rich plant extracts into a single daily habit, these formulas offer a convenient way to provide your body with the biological tools it needs to repair the gut-liver axis. If you are curious about how these specific plant compounds work together, you can find a link to a high-quality greens formula in the description below. The human body is deeply connected, and an exhausted liver almost always points to a struggling gut. Which of these hidden signs like brain fog or fatigue has your body been sending you lately? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health science.